Hello everybody, my name is Jack and welcome back. Welcome back for another Italian language lesson. Today we'll cover the verb to have. In Italian it's going to be avere. The verb avere, to have, expresses mainly the action of the possession of an inanimate object or an abstract thought. For instance, I have a car, io ho un'auto, I have an idea, io ho un'idea. As I told you in the previous video about the verb to be, also the verb to have, it is pretty important because it is used as an auxiliary verb to make composite tenses. In the next future, I will record lessons on composite tenses with the auxiliary verb to be and to have, essere e avere. Especially in Italian, verb to have, avere, it is used to make the passive forms. Shortly, conjugations of the verb to have will be the following. Simple present, presente semplice. Io ho, tu hai, lui, lei ha. Noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. Modo indicativo, tempo imperfetto. Io avevo, tu avevi, lui, lei aveva. Noi avevamo, voi avevate, loro avevano. Modo indicativo, tempo passato remoto. Remote past. Io ebbi, tu avesti, lui, lei ebbe. Noi avemmo, voi aveste, loro ebbero. Modo indicativo, tempo futuro semplice. Indicative mode, tense simple future. Io avrò, tu avrai, lui, lei avrà. Noi avremo, voi avrete, essi avranno. Last thing, remember, in the simple presents, some persons have the H. You have to distinguish between persons having the H, like io, ho, tu, hai, between the plural person which don't have the H. Therefore, the pronunciation is softer. Noi abbiamo, voi avete. Apart from the third plural person in which the H comes again present inside the conjugation, and it will be loro hanno. Ladies and gentlemen, the class is over. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button below. Comment if you have suggestions how to improve my videos or if you have any questions about lessons. But most importantly, remember, speak like a genius. Alexa, speak like a genius.
Purtroppo non so cosa rispondere.